In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sign in Gusto account. To begin, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. You can use Chrome, Safari, Edge, or any browser you prefer. In the address bar at the top, type gusto.com and then press Enter or Go. Give the page a moment to load fully so you can see the sign-in area clearly. Once you are on the Gusto website, look for the fields where you can enter your login details. In the email address field, type the email address that is connected to your Gusto account. Make sure you enter it carefully, because even a small typo can prevent you from signing in. If you are using a shared or public device, it is a good idea to double-check that the email field does not autofill with the wrong account. Next, move to the password field and enter your password. Passwords are case-sensitive, so pay attention to capital letters, numbers, and symbols. As you type, the characters will usually appear as dots for privacy. If your device offers to save the password, only allow that if it is your personal device that you trust. After you have entered your email address and password, click the button that says Sign In or Continue. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on the page version, but it will be the main button used to proceed. Wait a moment while Gusto verifies your information and loads your account. If you prefer a faster login method and your account is set up for it, you can also sign in using your Google email. Choose the option to continue with Google, then select the correct Google account and follow the prompts to authorize access. This can be helpful if you want to avoid typing your password each time, especially on a device where you are already signed in to Google. Once the sign-in process is complete, your Gusto account will open and you will be ready to explore your dashboard and tools. And that is all there is to it.